Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss about some of the layers that we are dealing with Python scapy. In this video we are going to discuss about HTTP and SCTP protocol. In this, HTTP protocols are basically derived into or are classified into two types. One is HTTP first, I mean 1.x, and another one is 2.x. Whereas these two protocols are having different functionalities. HTTP 1 is a text protocol, whereas HTTP 2 is a binary protocol. Okay, we are not going to discuss about HTTP 2 protocol because here we are interested in only knowing about HTTP real life protocol, which is known as a text protocol. So here this is the information that I am going to give. So here HTTP 1 is a text protocol, whereas if you are going to send any frames, I mean any data in the terms of packet in the means of something, so those packets or frames or the data can be split into different ways. So one is chunks and another one is content length and another one is we are going to compress the frames. So first one is chunk. Chunk is nothing but a fragment. If you are aware about the operating system's subject, then you can know what is an fragment, what is a segment in a very clear way. Fragmentation is nothing but wastage or nothing but memory wastage. In the terms of operating systems, we discuss the fragments in the terms of memory wastage, but here we discuss about the fragments in the terms of packet splitting or data splitting. So in this way, the chunks is the data will be splitted in terms of fragments. That splitted fragments are called chunks. Whereas in order to denote the end chunk will be denoted by an empty chunk, means which contains null. It don't contain any data. And another one is content length. You may see you might see this content length parameter or this content length in the HTTP, I mean sorry, cookie header. So this content length will explain the HTTP header. I mean it will tells about the length of the frame, or it tells about the length, I mean size of the data that it might want to transfer. So that is what content length will be say. Content will be used. Content length parameter will be used. And here these frames are compressed using some techniques. One is ZLW. If you issue this compress command in scapy shell, it will execute the, I mean it will compress the frame for you. And ZLIB means deflat. So this is another compressing technique, and another one is brotil. So these are the three techniques that we are going to use to decompress the frame, sorry, to compress the frame. Okay, here we are going to use we are going to discuss about another protocol called SCTP. SCTP means it means a stream control transmission protocol. SCTP contains both the combination of UDP and TCP characteristics. So it acts as both stream oriented and non-stream oriented protocol. It contains both characteristics of your TCP and UDP protocol. So in order to deal with SCTP servers, you need to turn on the SCTP protocol in your Linux, so it won't come activated by default in Kali Linux. So in order to do that, you need to uh, push this command in your terminal, and then it will enable the RFC. So RFC means nothing but remote file control or something like that. Sorry, remote function call. Okay, remote function call. So this is another function call in Python and scapy, and there is another function call in Python scapy, nothing but UDP checksum. So this function will evaluate the checksum of UDP in order to avoid any errors that have been occurred while transmitting the data and receiving the data. So this is what all I got for this CTP connection. So let's move on to the practical session. So I already told about, I already discussed about uh, sockets in my previous video, but whereas we can also do this using in Python one-to-one interpreter. So this is an interpreter, this is our any shell, this is called scapy shell. So in this we are going to deal with it by using socket, sorry, same as the past video, same as the previous process that we are going to follow here also, creating a object, and again we are going to do the operations using that object. S dot connect of pass the IP address or any DNS into the tuple as a tuple variable. Here S dot connect will accept the variables in the forms of tuple. So that is why we are entering the parameters to connect method using the tuples connect. Okay, and okay, we are going to use another stream dot, sorry, stream socket. Here if you want to use a UDP protocol it might be different, so I'm going to use a TCP protocol, so I mentioned there as stream socket of S comma ra. I already discussed about what ra method will do. It will disassemble the packet. Okay, here ss dot sr1. So sr1 is a function that is used to send the package. So there are two methods or functions, whatever you might call about the methods or functions. So there are two methods that are used to send the package in Python scapy. One is sr1 and another one is sr. So these are the two methods that we are going to use in order to pass the package. And we are going to get this packet using, using get request. Okay, hit enter. See here we got our packet. So in this way we also, we can also use the socket module in Python scapy shell. In order to do that you might study about this scapy shell to shell interpretation. So I am going to leave the link of Python scapy in this video description. If you want any other information about scapy you can go through the link. You can find more information that I had not covered. So basically I missed about Bluetooth and NetFlow. These two I skipped because I don't have that particular module in order to explain. You can also do some pretty things using the Bluetooth module. So my PC won't support I don't any Bluetooth interface, and I don't have any Bluetooth dongle, external dongle, in order to show you. So this is what all I got for this video. If you did hit like button it will boost me in order to do some more videos. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Thank you.